save hundreds of dollars on skincare products. I'm Alli Drew, and I'm skin-centric. I use estradiol estrogen cream on my face and a light moisturizer. It's about time physicians on YouTube are talking about estrogen cream. I've been using it for 15 years. The second night, I used that light moisturizer and tretinoin. That's all you need. This is the routine the skincare industry doesn't want you to know about because it works. I'm an attorney and I've been researching skincare for 40 years for myself. This is the answer. Click the link to learn more and please like and subscribe.